It is almost there, isn't it? What could possibly be inside? Oh! Do we see something? I see a little something. What do you think it is?
I think it's...
Watch your fingers.
It's white! It's white! I'm doing the hammer. I think I found something. I think I found it.
How about dipping it in the water one more time? I would use the bottom piece to stab it. The bottom piece. There you go. I bet that it'll come out like that now because it got soft in the water. Here we go. What can it be?
It's gold.
It's gold?
It's gold. Make sure there's nothing in here.
You could put it in the water.
I got a gold piece.
Oh, it's gold.
Let me wash it off. Let me wash my hand off.
Ooh. That's cool.
Can I see?
Ooh.
It looks like
And
I got
there's
a
more,
purple
huh?
rock. It looks like I got a purple rock.
Those are cool. No. Because it was a planet. And it has rocks and gold in it.
I see something lucky. Me. Hold on. What's this? Woo!
Ooh, that's like a clear one. That's cool.
I got a dinosaur tooth. I got a dinosaur tooth.
You did?
Whoa.
Ooh, it looks like that, huh?
I think I got gold.
How neat is this?
Is there anything in here left?
Let's check. Oh. There must be more. Look at my knife. I see something brown.
You do?
It just fell out.
Yeah, these are some cool rocks. You don't see those kind of rocks every day, huh?
Oh! I got orange.
Oh.
Ooh.
I got an orange.
That's awesome. Oh my gosh, cool rocks.
This one you might be able to break with your hands. This
Those
piece
are
right here.
neat.
Like if you hold it in your hands, I bet you could break it with both hands.
That's something big, I think. Those are amazing rocks.
Yeah, those are really cool rocks. Nothing in that piece.
That's good.
Oh, look.
I think I'm getting a tooth.
Think so?
Mama, I think I missed a gem down there.
Yeah.
Might
We'll
be
get
good
it.
to try my knife.
Ooh.
Tooth.
You want me to squeeze this one?
No.
Okay. Well, that was a pretty messy job, huh? But the messy jobs are the funnest, aren't they?
Yes. Give me more. I think guys, I just got diamonds.
You did. Use your other end if you want. No, the bottom end.
No.
Hold on, Krugy, I'll let you in. I think that was all of it, huh?
No. There must be more.
We could just make, like, mush it and see.
Give me two.
More Smurfs. Give me a high five. All right. Mission completed. Cool rock.